That bit strong. What's good, fam? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We bringing you another banger. Thank you so much for tuning back into this video. For anybody that's new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Show your boy some love. All right, so let's get into the video. Today we'll be talking about the Joran One Turbo. These just dropped a few weeks ago. I couldn't get them on the first release, but they restocked and you know your boy copped. When I seen these shoes, I was like, whew, I gotta get them. So let's start off with the box. As you know, the Joran Ones, regular box. I don't know how to tell it's authentic, but it came from the store, so you know. It's a size 12. The Joran One boxes are not like the other Jordan boxes. Let me show you real quick. See? And this is a 9, the Jordan 9s. You know, these boxes are not the same. All right. Every new sneaker review that I do, I gotta sniff the shoe. It's kind of like that new car smell, you know. You just like that's the aroma, the smell. All right, here we go. That bit strong. This is not the best smelling shoe, but you know, this is a nicely designed, a nice colorway shoe. Just look at this bad boy. Now, these shoes right here, I don't know what it was about them, but I just really liked the shoe. I was like, there's no way, I gotta get these. I gotta get these. Thank God that they restocked, because if it wasn't for that, your boy would have took an L once again. So let's jump right into the shoes. I just got these yesterday, so I didn't even get a chance to lace them up. But this is the look at the Joran One Turbo Green. I don't know why, but I'm just digging this colorway. Like, it's like a grayish, greenish, bluish, ish color. You feel me? Like, you can basically rock this with anything you put on. Anything you put on, you can rock this. You know, this is just hot. You feel me? And the bottom sole is gray. I prefer a darker color on my soles because I don't want a white sole, so when I walk, it's just dirty. It looks dirty. Like, no one wants a dirty sole. You get what I'm saying? No one wants a dirty sole. You feel me? If you look inside of the shoe, it's a turquoise color. Let me get a little closer for you guys. Turquoise color. Can you guys see that? Nothing too fancy going on with the shoe. You got that nice tumblewear leather. You know, great quality. Now, what stood out to me in these shoes were the suede on this. This wasn't like a smooth suede. It was more like a rugged suede, like some jeans. Like, when I first saw these, I was like, this reminded me of like light blue jeans. You know, I don't know. It just caught my attention. I was like, I don't know what about these shoes. It just caught my attention. I was like, wow, these are beautiful. These right here are just beautiful. And if you look at the midsole, it's this sail color, just like with the Air Force One Travis Scott sails, where it's that beige type color. It's the same thing on the bottom of these. And I think it just ties it all together. And as you can see, this color is also presented right here, all around here. And as you can see, you know, you got your classic Jordan logo. Very classic. Like, this is my first pair of ones, and you know, I'm excited because, you know, these are hot. These, wait, hold on. back to this suede. Like, do you see this? It's not regular suede. This is not regular suede. I don't know. It's like that scuff up denim with rips type of vibe to it, and like the color, it's not too loud. I don't know. This shoe is just sexy. I don't know what to tell you guys. This shoe is just a nice shoe. I've been kidding with you. You can literally throw these on with anything. Like, you can have no drip, put these on, have drip for a second. Not the whole day, just a second. You feel me? Because if you don't got the drip, you don't got the drip. But you can have the drip for 1 second if you wear these. I don't promise that. But anyways, as we look at the tongue, you know, nothing fancy with the tongue, but this right here, purple laces, and this turquoise, I think it's turquoise, this turquoise color laces. Leave in the comment section below, which laces would you prefer with these? White laces, purple laces, or turquoise laces? These retail for about $160. Now on StockX, they're running about 180, 190. There's not a lot of profit to be made on these, so I would not suggest you to go pick these up if you're just looking to resell. But if you're just looking for a nice clean kick for the spring, these bad boys, man. If you can get your hands on these, I would suggest it. Actually thinking about customizing these, but I don't currently have any ideas for them right now. I might just keep them like this because I already think they look nice already. But if you have any idea that you think I should customize on these, let me know in the comment section below. All right, guys, so thank you so much for checking out my YouTube video on the Air Jordan 1 Turbo Green. In the comment section below, let me know what you think. Are these a cop, a drop, is this a skip, or a flip? Let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, guys, have a blessed year.